Good morning to everyone. In the last class, we have discussed regarding meaning, definitions, features, functions, classification, etc. regarding entrepreneur. Now, we are going to discuss something regarding entrepreneurship. So, firstly, question arises that what is entrepreneurship, right? So, in the earlier we have discussed that regarding entrepreneur. In that situation, we are already discussed that entrepreneur is a person, okay, and he himself has to establish his own business by taking the risk and also to enjoy the profit. In the similar way, now here entrepreneurship is mainly considered as a function, right? Here mainly identical difference we identified is entrepreneur is a person, but entrepreneurship is a function, or in other words we can also call it as entrepreneurship is a process, okay. Alternatively, we can call it either function or process, both are same, okay. Let me discuss the meaning of entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship is the functions performed by an entrepreneur in relation to his business. I repeat, entrepreneurship is the functions performed by an entrepreneur in relation to his business, okay. Now question arises that, so what are the functions performed by an entrepreneur? Nothing but you know very well that production, packing, marketing, buying, selling, research and development, then giving publicity, others what advertising, like that. So all these, and also in relation to the manpower, that's what recruitment and selection, then induction, promotion, demotion, like that. Then management of the people and also sources, then administration, like that. So all these are the functions performed by an entrepreneur. This is what we call entrepreneurship. Then here there is a simple definition that is given by Schumpeter. According to Schumpeter, entrepreneurship is the purposeful and systematic innovation done by an entrepreneur. Okay, I repeat, entrepreneurship is the purposeful and systematic innovation performed by an entrepreneur. Okay, so in the sense here, Schumpeter is saying that entrepreneurship is mainly based on purposeful and systematic innovation, right? Again question arises that here what is that purpose? Okay, what is that purpose? In the sense here the purpose means the earning of profit, because the main intention of any business is to earn the profit. So that here also we are discussing the same. So that here also an entrepreneur is mainly aiming to earn profit. So that is the main purpose here, right? So again question arises that how he can earn the profit. For that we just discussed that it is the systematic innovation. Okay, entrepreneurship is the systematic innovation. In the sense, entrepreneur is going to undertake the innovation activities. So innovation activities in the sense, he is going to consider the several changes which are taken place in the field of business and also in the field of market, because every minute there may be changes taken place in the field of business and also market, and also in each and every places, areas, etc. And also in nowadays consumers are very choosy in nature, in the sense they need change minute by minute, second by second. Once what they are used, the same thing they are not like to use the second time. That's why in order to satisfy the consumers, here an entrepreneur is going to make the changes time to time in his business activities. That may be changes in packing, changes in price, and also even by offering discounts and also providing buy one get one free, like that. So by making the several changes, and even it may also be considered there is what changes in color, size, shape, quantity, like that. So by making these kind of changes, it is mainly through by market study. In the sense, market study is nothing but through the study of the mindset of his consumers. He is going to make the several changes. Then after he is going to make the changes, and through that he is going to satisfy his consumers. Through that he is going to earn the profit. Okay, so that's why here's computer is saying that entrepreneurship is the purposeful and systematic innovation activity, or it can be called as entrepreneurship is mainly based on the purposeful and systematic innovation, right? Then now we go for the differences between entrepreneur and entrepreneurship, right? So regarding entrepreneur, we have already discussed the almost everything. Now we are going to discuss the entrepreneurship, and now just we are understand the meaning and definition of entrepreneurship. Now we going to distinguish between these two topics. Okay, so firstly, entrepreneur is considered as a person. In the similar way, entrepreneurship is considered as a function, or it is a process. Okay, then the second important difference is that entrepreneur is an organizer and the entrepreneurship is an organization. Okay, because all these activities are done in a particular place, so that entrepreneurship is considered as an organization. Okay, in the similar way, third one is entrepreneur is considered as innovator. Similarly, entrepreneurship is considered as innovation. Okay, we just earlier we discussed that entrepreneur is mainly considered as a person and entrepreneurship is mainly considered as a function or process. Okay, that's why entrepreneur is considered as an innovator because he is going to adopt the several changes. So that's why he is mainly considered as innovator. Then in the similar way, whatever the changes he is going to adopt, the such changes is called as innovation. Then next is that entrepreneur is a motivator because he is going to motivate overall functions, then processes, and also persons in the sense the laborers or employees whom he has taken for his assistance. Okay, so because enterprise or entrepreneurship is not a even small activity to be performed by a single man or single person, so that it is a big activity, or it is what broader activity. So that's why entrepreneur is in need of the several persons for his assistance, so that whatever the number of persons he has taken for his assistance, so he is going to motivate all such persons for the purpose of getting the good amount of work from them. Okay, that's why entrepreneur is a motivator. Then whatever the motivation activity he is going to do. That is what motivation. Okay, in the sense whatever the motivate, how he is going to motivate, whatever the things he are used, tools, then strategies he is going to use to motivate these things. That process is called as motivation. Okay, then next is that entrepreneur is a leader. Then entrepreneurship is a leadership. Okay, because entrepreneur he himself is the owner of a business. As he is the owner of a business, so that he is going